Welcome to Learn Hausa with C. In today's video, I will teach you everyday vocabularies and sentences in Hausa language. Let's get started. Tashi means wake up or get up. Let's make sentence with it. Na tashi da safe. I woke up this morning. Na tashi da safe. I woke up this morning. Safe, morning. Safe, morning. Tafi and J means go in Hausa. Let's learn how to make sentences with them. Zan tafi kasuwa. Zan je kasuwa. Zan tafi kasuwa. Zan je kasuwa. They both mean the same thing. I will go to the market. Kasuwa, market. Kasuwa, market. Zo, come. Zo, come. Zo nan, dan Allah. Come here, please. Zo nan, dan Allah. Come here, please. Dan Allah is please in Hausa. Dan Allah, please. Gani, see. Gani, see. If you want to tell a man this, I saw you yesterday, you are going to say, na ganka jiya. Na ganka jiya. If you want to tell a woman that, I saw you yesterday in Hausa, you are going to say, na ganki jiya. Na ganki jiya. For a man, na ganka jiya. For a woman, na ganki jiya. Jiya means yesterday in English. Jiya, yesterday. Ji means hear or feel in English. Ji, hear or feel. Let's make sentence with it. Na ji daɗin maganan. Na ji daɗin maganan. I enjoyed the talk. Magana means talk in Hausa. When we want to use a word to make a sentence in Hausa language, we usually add N at the back. In our previous page, we pronounced magana as maganan. For instance, name in Hausa is suna. If we want to use it to make a sentence, we pronounce it as sunan. Menene sunan ka? We add N at the back. But this does not apply to all the words in Hausa, it's just for some. Daɗi can be enjoy or delicious. In our previous page, we said na ji daɗin maganan. I enjoyed the talk, which means the meaning of daɗi in that page is enjoy, while here is delicious. So daɗi can be enjoy or delicious. Yi, do. Yi, do. Na yi aiki yau. Na yi aiki yau. I worked today. Aiki, work. Aiki, work. Kawo, bring. Kawo, bring. If you want to ask a man to bring water, you are going to say, ka kawo ruwa. Ka kawo ruwa. If you want to ask a woman to bring water, you are going to say, ki kawo ruwa. Ki kawo ruwa. Bring water. Ruwa, water. Ruwa, water. Bari, stop. Bari, stop. If you want to say stop it to a man, you are going to say kabari. Kabari. If you want to say stop it to a woman, you are going to say kibari. Kibari. Stop it. Sayo, buy. Sayo, buy. Zan sayo abinci. Zan sayo abinci. I want to buy food. Girma means grow or respect. Girma, grow or respect. If you want to say you've grown very much to a man, you are going to say ka girma sosai. Ka girma sosai. If you want to say you've grown very much to a woman, you are going to say kin girma sosai. Kin girma sosai. You've grown very much. Abinci, food. Abinci, food. Abinci yana da daɗi. Abinci yana da daɗi. The food is delicious. Ruwa, water. Ruwa, water. Ina son ruwa mai sanyi. Ina son ruwa mai sanyi. I want cold water. Sanyi, cold. Sanyi, cold. Ina so. Ina so. Ina so means I want or I love. If we want to make a sentence with ina so, we usually add n at the back of the so. For instance, if we want to say I love water or I want water, we are going to say ina son ruwa. I love food or I want food. Ina son abinci. Nono, milk. Nono, milk. Nono yana da lafiya. Nono yana da lafiya. The milk is healthy. You can also add n at the back of the o in nono. Nonon yana da lafiya. Nonon yana da lafiya. Lafiya, healthy. Lafiya, healthy. Nama, meat. Nama, meat. Nama yana cikin abinci. Nama yana cikin abinci. The meat is inside the food. Tuwo, a Hausa local food. Tuwo. Tuwo da miya suna da daɗi. Tuwo da miya suna da daɗi. Tuwo and soup is delicious. Daɗi, delicious. Daɗi, delicious. Shayi, tea. Shayi, tea. Ina shan shayi da safe. Ina shan shayi da safe. I drink tea in the morning. Sha, drink. Sha, drink. When we want to make sentence with it, we sometimes add n at the back. Ina shan ruwa. But we can also make sentence with it without adding n at the back. Na sha ruwa. I drank water. Kifi, fish. Kifi, fish. Kifin yana cikin ruwa. Kifin yana cikin ruwa. The fish is inside water. Ciki, inside. Ciki, inside. In our previous page, when we wanted to make sentence with kifi, we added n at the back, kifin. And when we wanted to use chiki, we also added n at the back, chicken. In some words, when we want to make sentence with them, we need to add n at the back. Water, ruwa. Water, ruwa. Doya, yam. Doya, yam. Na soya doya da safe. Na soya doya da safe. I fried yam this morning. Soya, fry. Soya, fry. Safe, morning. Safe, morning. Wake, beans. Wake, beans. Waken yana da kyau. Waken yana da kyau. The beans is good. Kyau, good. Kyau, good. Goodbye, sai anjima. Goodbye, sai anjima. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to learn how to speak Hausa language fluently, remember that this is the best channel for you. Like now and subscribe.